What's up guys, in this video let's perform the water test on the Realme U1, a phone with no water resistance, and see if it can survive rain or other water accidents. In the Realme series, all devices are pre-installed with a plastic screen protector as a cost-cutting measure to hide poor quality glass with no oleophobic coating and is very prone to scratches. So does this glass protection on the Realme U1 also lack this oleophobic layer? We'll soon find out in the first round. Let's start the test as usual by checking the layer of oleophobic coating on this unnamed glass protection. This oleophobic layer, besides preventing fingerprint smudges, also repels water in the form of droplets rather than sticking to the glass, as you can see. The lack of an oleophobic layer does not really help the Realme U1 in resisting water to a certain degree. Anyways, there is still hope since the Realme 1 also lacked this layer but did perform excellently in its water test. Let's hope that the Realme U1 is able to reach the final drenching round after the light splashing. Every device reacts differently to water. Like for example, the Asus Zenfone 5Z had water seepage issues and ended up with a damaged display, screen flickering issues on the Honor 9 Lite, or the screen going blank for 14 hours on the Redmi White. Besides that, the most common reaction to water is the external audio getting distorted and low, and this can last for a few seconds to several hours, which might permanently damage the sound unit. So let's see if the Realme U1 is able to pass the rounds and survive all the water abuse. It's good news for Realme U1 users since it did not suffer any damage to the camera unit, display or the sound unit. The Realme U1 was able to handle every round of abuse and easily passes my water test.